Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to use Grindr Tribe feature. So let me tell you guys, Grindr Tribes allow users to identify with specific subcultures such as bear, twink, otter, jock, etc. to help others find them and to filter search results to find specific types of people. Users can select up to 3 tribes to define their identity on their profile. So let me tell you guys how to use the tribes feature. So for that, first go to your Grindr app and then tap on your profile, which is in the top left corner of your screen. Now scroll down to edit profile. Now scroll down again to my tribes. Now select any 3 from the list. Now tap done to complete your process. You can also use the filter option in the top corner of the main grid, then choose specific tribe tags to narrow down your search results to those that match your preference. If you tap on a tribe tag in someone else's profile, you will be shown a new grid of users who have chosen the same tag. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked this video. See you in my next one.